Now let's talk about beaming groups of notes in simple time. So if we're in 4/4 and you're given an example like this, so what I'm trying to do is find 4 groups, so 4 beats, and they all have to equal the value of a quarter note each, right? Since we're in simple time, the top number tells me the number of beats, so I need 4 beats, and the bottom tells me the value of each beat. So since it's a 4, represents a quarter note, as we talked about in a previous tutorial. And another indicator that lets me know I'm in simple time is that I have a triplet. So I'm using a borrowed time from the compound. So that's a good clue that I'm in simple time. So the next thing is I want to see 4 groups and they all have to equal a quarter note. Well, right off the bat, here is one group. That's a quarter note already. And then here is another one because it's a triplet, so it's putting 3 beats in the place of 2. So that would mean usually we have 2/8 notes here. So this is going to order a quarter note. It's going to equal a quarter note as well. Let's look at the beginning. Well, these 3, I have 8th note plus a 16th and another 16th. So 2/16 gives me another 8th note plus an 8th note gives me a quarter note. So here is another group. And then lastly, I have 4/16 notes, which equals a quarter note as well. So I would beam these together, these 3 notes in the triplet and the 4/16 note at the end. So you will have something like this. So 8th to 16th, triplet 8th note, a quarter note, and then 4/16 note beamed together. So now we have something that looks like this to something that looks more easily readable, because we could definitely see each group and they equal a quarter note each. So this is how you would beam notes in simple time with the given time signature.